Hello guys, welcome back to today's video. It's your number one elegant beautiful fashion styles in the building. In today's video we'll be taking you through this tutorial on how to braid knotless hairstyles. In this video we're getting the perfect braid hairstyles for beginners. Stay tuned and enjoy this video to the end because I'm not going to regret any bit of it. You'll be seeing a lot of different styles in this video for knotless braid, both big and medium and the tiniest one, the one you love. You're going to see it in this video. Stay tuned and enjoy it to the end. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that I'll be getting a lot of amazing videos to come. In today's video I'll be bringing to you these together knotless braid hairstyles. You'll be seeing both how to, after braiding it, how to pack it, how to get the perfect style for you, the way you will use to pack it that will make it look so stunning and beautiful on you. So if you have not turned on your notification bell, please do where to turn it on so that you'll be getting notified anytime we post a new video. You can see this one is the big one. The style is giving, it's very neat, very demure and very sexy at the same time, guys. Thank you very much once again. Stay tuned and enjoy this video to the end. Bye.